Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to edit the dashboard in Jira. So first head over to More right here and click on Dashboards. Now simply click on the dashboard that you want to edit and open it up. Now in order to edit your dashboard you will have to go right here to this button Edit. So click on it. And now you can change the layout of your dashboard or just switch anything you want like so. You can add a gadget if you want to add something right here. You can change the layout, press done if you are done, or just go right here to share the dashboard, copy it, configure automatic refresh, view as wallboard, or create a dashboard or view all dashboards. So simply choose what you want to edit and edit it. So let's say I want to change this color, so I can duplicate it even or delete it. It is really this simple to edit your dashboard. Once you are done, click on done. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.